Hello, this is Advocate Srirang Chaudhary. Welcome to Parkadama. This is with regard to a news item which was published in some newspapers recently regarding the SCBC reservation being applied in full in private medical colleges for postgraduate seats. There was a lot of discussion about that on groups that the SCBC reservation has been applied fully, whereas the other reservations have been applied uh, to half their allotted percentages in private medical colleges. Regarding that, there was some consternation that it has been done unfairly by the government of Maharashtra, and that it should uh, not have been done. The regular rules regarding other reservations should have been followed also in respect of Maratha reservations. We have to understand two things. Firstly, that this policy of applying only half of the reservation for the categories other than SCBC is in place since at least 2015 that I have seen, and the GR at Annexure C, that Annexure C of the PG NEET medical admission brochure talks of a GR dated 8th of January 2007, which mandates the government to provide reservation only for 25% of the available seats in the private unaided colleges. Firstly, you have to understand that there are two applicable laws which are in force in Maharashtra regarding reservation. The first is the Act of 2006, which applies to the reservation of various categories in private professional educational institutions. That Act of 2006 mandates that 50% reservation should be provided in private uh, aided professional institutions, and section 5 of that act says that the government will apply proportionate reservation to seats as mandated by the state from time to time, as notified by the state from time to time, and this notification contemplated by section 5 of the act of 2006, which regards to the private unaided medical education, regard to private unaided, I repeat, private unaided professional educational institutions, which are obviously about which we are talking currently, the private institutes which provide medical education. So as per government policy, 50% of the seats of private unaided medical colleges are kept for the institution. Of the remaining 50, 25% are allotted to the open category, 25% are allotted to the reserved category per the provisions of Act of 2006. However, the ACBC Act and the provisions of EWS have come into play in 2019 for the first time, and they are governed by separate provisions other than the provisions with regard to the Act of 2006. And in EWS as in ACBC, the reservation provided is full 50% in private unaided medical colleges also. So the law may be wrong, the law has been challenged, as we know. The SCBC in itself is under challenge before the Supreme Court now. Uh, Yesterday, the Supreme Court has decided that the EWS matter should be referred to a constitutional bench, and so that is also subjudiced. But the government have applied the law correctly to say that only 25% of the so-called constitutional reservations will apply in private unaided medical colleges, and accordingly the percentages of various categories have been halved. It means that for 19% of the OBC reservation has been made 9.5, and respective categories, half of the reservation granted has been allotted to the various colleges. So this is to take care of the fact that only total of 25% reservation is provided for as per the Act of 2006 in private unaided medical colleges. Again, I repeat that there are two acts in place regarding reservations in Maharashtra. One is the Act of 2006, which governs reservations other than ACBC and EWS. ACBC Act came into force in 2018. It provides full reservation of 12% as pared down by the High Court in all private unaided institutions too. Same applies to EWS, and hence whatever the government have done is proper. It is subject to challenge. However, this 25% for other reservation categories and 50% of the total, over and above the 50%, 10% for AWS and 12% of the SCBC has been provided for in the admission brochure. And to my opinion, this has been done regularly, fairly, and properly. Provisions of law have been complied with. If there be any challenge, it is lying before the Supreme Court currently. Let us bear and hear out what the result of the matter will be. Till then, it is better to understand that there is no illegality in the government granting full 12% quota to the Marathas and 10% quota to the EWS also in private unaided medical colleges. I think that clarifies the issue. I thank you very much for watching. I hope we meet soon again. Thank you very much.